Our goal here is to complete a casual 2,000-meter row, not for time. This is intended to be a warm-up, and so there should be no incentive to go fast here. You want to start off slow, check in with your system, warm up your aerobic system, and start prepping your body for the following workout. I chose a rowing movement because I believe this is one of the best ways to get circulation and activation into our back and pulling musculature of the body in a very low intensity way. If you don't have a rower, then a skier is another great option. A Jacob's ladder would also be great. If you don't have any of those three, I would do an air bike like an Assault or Echo bike. And of course, if you don't have that, just get creative. We want to do a warm-up in about an 8 to 12 minute domain. This is enough time to get the aerobic system prepped, ideally with a movement that will warm up the upper body. Couple quick tips on the form here. Notice that I'm extending and driving through my legs, simultaneously pulling the handle to my upper abdominal region. When the handle hits that area, I'm really thinking about squeezing and retracting my scapula so that I'm getting as much recruitment as possible in these important intrascapular muscles of the upper back. Aim to stay as tall as you can through the interval naturally as you row and hinge back. Just make sure that your core is really active. Notice at the end of each of these strokes, I'm still staying tall because I'm thinking about engaging my abdominals. This is supporting our lower back, and it's a crucial emphasis that we should all focus on.